At the last concert I went to, everybody went crazy over my fidget spinner bra. So now I decided to show you guys how I made it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first you're going to find a bra that best fits you. This one in this case has a netting, but I'm just going to flip the netting inside out just so I can have the top where the padding is. And of course we want the fidgets to spin, so we're just going to tuck that underneath. Give it a new look. Padded swimsuit or bra is preferred. That way your fidget spinners will have a firmer spot to hold on to. Alright, now that we found our bra, here's some things you will need for this. You need some E6000. I have some spikes and studs to decorate. I also have some fidget spinners, and of course they light up. There are 3 different modes there too. And then I also have floor protection stickers from Daiso. Also some multiple sized diamond rhinestones. And some Halloween decorations as a backup in case I wanted to add anything extra to the bra. You will also need a hot glue gun and tweezers for the rhinestone decoration process. So this is everything you guys are going to need to get this project started. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first things first, we're going to use Daiso floor protection stickers. They only cost $1.50 at Daiso. And these are going to be the base of what we're going to glue the fidget spinners to. So once you get that bad boy opened, then open up your E6000. And what we're going to do from there is glue the 2 floor protectors together, straight up on top of each other. And I like to leave the base with the glossy side. That way the glossy side will hold on to my fidget spinner with the E6000, no problem. And they are really sticky, as you can see, so they will stick regardless. But the E6000 gives it an extra backup protection plan because we don't want them to fall off when people or yourself are spinning the fidget spinners. As you see right here, I'm locating the best spot, which I feel is the peak, because that's where we're going to put the fidget spinner base. Is so that it's on the highest lifted area on your bra. That's why padding is preferred. So now we're just going to take the E6000 on the back side of one of the floor protectors. Glue that bad boy on there. Little goes a long way with E6000, so just a heads up with that. Take 2 of the floor bases and glue them together. Then you're going to want to let that sit and cure. Then make your left side the same way you made the right side. Glue the 2 floor protection pieces together. Once those have dried and cured, now comes the fun part. I chose a light up fidget spinners, of course, because there's 3 different modes and I can keep changing them all night long, and battery is going to last for the most part almost the whole concert. You don't have to worry about changing the battery all night or wearing a battery pack. It's done and built in already. So give it a few spins, make sure that your fidget spinner works, turn off the lights, save the batteries, of course. And what we're going to do is flip it on the back side, which is a more of a duller side, and we're going to E6000 the floor protection side on the glossy side to match the back side of the fidget spinner. So if the light up button tabs are not facing outwards, you're doing it wrong. Make sure that the fidget spinner lies center on the floor protector sticker. Then give it a spin to make sure that you did not glue the gear of the fidget spinner. Just to make sure. Then go ahead and make your second fidget spinner device. Look at it go. Woo! And now we do the other side and wait for it to cure. Make sure to give it a spin again. Make sure you didn't glue the gears together. And we wait. Waiting. Bueller. Now come back to your project. Turn on the lights once it's cured. It's alive, Igor. It's working. Spin, spin, spin. This is going to be so fun. So find the location, like I said earlier, that is the highest peak in your padded bra. And what we're going to do is place it on with the E6000. And boom, there you have it. Now we have the base of the fidget spinner bra. Now comes the fun part. We wait for it to cure, and then we'll be able to decorate. Alright, so now I'm going to introduce you to the glue gun. We're going to use a glue gun, and also I will be using tweezers to glue on my rhinestones. And now the fun part, decorate to your heart's content. I used rhinestones. I also used some studs to give it more of a metal vibe. Use whatever you want. You can glue on whatever it is as long as it's not the same height as your fidget spinners. And of course, remember to have fun with it. There is no right or wrong way to to decorate this bra. It's your creation, your masterpiece. Alright, there you have it. There's my final look at the bra I made. And I will be attending a metal concert, so if I see you at Ozfest, I'll be wearing this. Come say hello to me. Now let's dance the night away. And now you light up the night. Have fun making your own. Bye, guys.